on you wide. 1, 2, 3,
What's the bottom?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Al, this is going to fit on here.
10.
Is that close to that?
No. What else we got? Well, this is an edge piece.
That's on the, yeah, that's the bottom of that one.
Yes.
Hard one.
Where did we get that? Well done.
I bet we're up to 3 minutes yet.
He said it was that.
Ah, we called him in 3 minutes. 3 hours, mate.
And he said it was. I enjoyed it though, that it was like checking.
It's just where they fit together afterwards is the problem.
Because he said it's all me. He said it. It was 4 of them, I think. But he said it was like there was obviously potential for.
I reckon we need one piece there, don't we, to finish that bottom off.
Well, it's going to have one of these edge strips on it.
Yeah.
I think
This one.
the place where Malin
Yeah, that's at the top.
the other sort of area where it was a bit more central. But he said it was very nice. He said it was just that like when you're going back in the
So what was got up there somewhere, isn't it?
a bit threatening.
This fits here. See this here? Goes on there.
Is it?
So all that. Just crack this up. Big top. Now, come on. We've got to be able to do this now.
Off the jigsaw. Oh my goodness.
We're on a roll.
Off the jigsaw.
Out the way, Drew. Drew, out the way.
Nearly done it. Oh, we're going round in circles. Your granny will be dizzy. Follow the leader, follow the leader.
Should we do that next?
Easy.